Hey everybody, Matt here. Today I want to show you a little trick I do with packing tape to make carrying heavy boxes just a little bit easier. So as you can see, I've got a big heavy stack of books here. I'll take a minute to put these in the box. We're going to try and get all these books in this box. Most of them are hardcover books. Not all of them, but most of them. So they're pretty heavy. Okay, so all the books are in this box. It is pretty heavy. And close it up like so. And tape it. And since this one is so heavy, we would probably do something like that. Now I think this is where most people stop. But what I do is I will take tape and I will bunch it together so it doesn't stick to the top, and then I'll go back down on the side. So really what I'm doing is I'm making a handle. This tape is very strong in tensile. In other words, when you pull it, it'll stretch, but it's very unlikely it'll break unless you have a lot of weight. Now because this box is so heavy, and yeah, it's pretty heavy, I'm going to put another piece of tape right across here to kind of keep that end of the handle attached to the box, and I'll do the same thing here. Okay, since this box is so heavy, I would also recommend wearing like a winter glove or a heavy glove so that when you pick up the box, the handle won't cut into your hands. So I'm going to take this outside and I'll show you what it's like to actually pick up by the handle. So as you just saw, I'm able to pick up the box using the packing tape handle. This handle is made with just one piece of packing tape. I did wear a glove because the box is so heavy. I didn't want the handle to dig into my skin. If the box wasn't this heavy, I could probably do without wearing the glove. Now some of you might be wondering what kind of packing tape this is. The most I can tell you is I bought it from Staples. It's described as shipping tape. It's crystal clear. And it does feel thicker to me here than the real inexpensive packing tape that you can buy. You know, the normally tan colored packing tape. I don't know how thick this is, but I think it's thicker than that, the real inexpensive packing tape that you can get. Now, if you only have the real inexpensive packing tape and you'd want to try the handle trick, what you can do is just use multiple pieces of tape, squish them all together here so none of them stick to the top of the box, and just make a thicker handle, that's all. I have done that in the past with when I've used the less expensive packing tape, and that works just fine. You just have to use more of it to make sure you have enough strength in the handle. So the next time you have some big heavy boxes to move around, think about giving this a try.